Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to link the cloud with your GitHub because it's really helpful in automation system and with Agentix works to get the text for you and so on. All what you need to do is just open Cloud DI, go to first link and then click on the profile one. If you don't have account sign up, or if you have already an account signed with, click here and then go for settings, go for connectors, and here connect your GitHub guys section. Press connect. It's gonna be already I have my GitHub account opened. Authorize cloud, authorize that link is gonna be redirecting to the cloud, and there you go guys. The GitHub is connected, is fully connected now. You can benchmark and you can make coding and everything is connecting between them. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.